Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2. We are going to present Broken Links How Global Supply Chain Chaos is Testing the Manufacturing World. In today's fast-paced world, digital technology plays a crucial role in transforming how businesses operate. Digital technology refers to electronic tools, systems, devices, and resources that generate, store, or process data. It includes computers, smartphones, software, internet, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and more. It helps companies run faster, smarter, and more efficiently. In this presentation, we will show how a business problem can be solved with the help of digital tools.
Next, I will be explaining some of the problems businesses usually face before they start using digital technology. Firstly, many businesses still use manual methods to manage their operations. This means they write things down on paper or use basic tools like spreadsheets. It may seem okay at first, but over time it really slows things down and makes it harder to grow efficiently. Secondly, there is the issue of poor data management. For example, customer information and sales records might be kept in different files or even just writing in notebooks. This makes it hard to track business performance or make quick decisions. Third, without digital tools, businesses can end up spending more, whether it's on printing, paperwork, or time spent repeating tasks that could be automated. This increases overall operational costs and reduces profit margins. Lastly, communication between departments can be a problem. Without digital platforms, teams may take longer to share updates, leading to delays and misunderstandings in daily operation. So, in summary, this challenge show why digital transformation is no longer just an option, but a need for businesses to stay competitive.
The framework that provides a similar sense of managing and optimizing the end-to-end supply chain, particularly with a focus on key processes. In that case, the supply chain operations reference model is the most direct and widely recognized framework that offers a similar scope and purpose as the GSCF framework. Then the SCOR model focuses on five key management processes, which are plan, source, make, deliver, and retain. For plan, it processes associated with developing and communicating plans. For source, it processes related to procuring goods and services. For make, it processes that encompass the transformation of raw materials and components. Next, for deliver, it processes associated with order management, warehousing, transportation, and distribution. Lastly, for return, it processes related to the reverse flow of goods.
Next, framework that use is Global Supply Chain Forum. This framework is a comprehensive model for managing and integrating supply chain, developed to competitiveness of global business environment. We focus on product development commercialization and manufacturing development. Product development commercialization means the process of taking a new product or service from concept to market, make it available for sale to consumers. Next, manufacturing flow management is a process of designing, organizing and controlling how raw materials, components, and finished goods move through the manufacturing system. This consists of product resources that involves managing machines, tools, labor, and material to ensure optimal use and minimal waste. Then, production planning for sequencing and scheduling production steps to meet demand. Next, here how to apply the Global Supply Chain Forum GSCF framework in this challenge, where it have two elements, which is supply chain structure strategic relationship management and supply chain business processes cross-functional coordination. So first, in the supply chain structure strategic relationship management, the GSCF framework categorizes relationship by using the GSCF three-tier structure, which is It includes integrated, managed, semi-integrated monitor, and independent, not managed. So these all are to map all supply chain partners, where it focus integration, efforts on critical suppliers and customer while monitoring or minimizing resources spent in less critical links. So this can help in cost and complexity management. Next, in the supply chain business processes, cross-functional coordination, the GSCF framework identify some of the core processes that should be systematically addressed, which is it includes supplier relationship management, where it evaluates supplier performance on a regular basis, support weakness, and create backup plans or sources to avoid single points of failure. Second is demand management, which is use cooperative planning and forecasting to match production with current market demands to lessen the effect of demand shocks. Third, order fulfillment and manufacturing flow management, where it streamline and automate order processing and production scheduling to improve flexibility and shorten lead times during interruption. And lastly, the product development and commercialization, which is it speed up the cycle of innovation and modify product line. There is to accommodate shifting supply and market demands.
Next, how to apply the framework. For the supply chain operation reference, SCOR model provides a structured approach to analyzing and improving supply chain performance through the 5 key process: plan, source, make and delivery, and return. First, plan. Use AI and data analytics to forecast demand and anticipate disruption, enabling proactive planning. Second, source. Implement digital supplier management tool to monitor supplier performance and quickly shift to an alternative when need. Third, make. Apply to logistics and automotive to monitor production line, optimize schedule, and adapt to material shortage in real time. Fourth, deliver. Use real-time logistic tracking to improve visibility, reroute shipment, and reduce delivery delay. And return. Automate reverse logistic process to efficiently handle return, repair, and reallocation of product.
So next, we move on to the first solution, which is promoting integration. The Global Supply Chain Forum (GSCF) model provides a structured and collaborative approach to managing complex supply chains, making it a valuable solution for addressing the ongoing global supply chain chaos that has heavily impacted the manufacturing world. This chaos, driven by events such as pandemics, geopolitical tensions, and raw material shortage, has exposed the vulnerabilities of traditional supply chain models. The GSCF model responds to these challenges by promoting integration across 8 key processes, which are customer relationship management, supplier relationship management, customer service management, demand management, order fulfillment, manufacturing flow management, product development and commercialization, and returns management. These interconnected processes encourage manufacturers to move beyond isolated functions and adopt a holistic, end-to-end supply chain strategy.
The second solution is implementing end-to-end supply chain visibility. This solution focuses on improving visibility in the supply chain using digital tools. For example, with Internet of Things (IoT), companies can track goods in real time. Other than that, cloud computing makes data sharing faster and smoother. Next, artificial intelligence, which is AI, helps predict issues before they happen. And the last one, blockchain ensures everything is transparent and secure. By combining these technologies, businesses can respond quickly to disruptions and keep operations running efficiently.
For solution 3, manufacturers are increasingly leveraging AI-driven forecasting tools, digital twins, and real-time data analytics to better anticipate supply chain disruption. These technologies analyze vast amounts of data from historical sales and market trends to external factors like weather and geopolitical events to model various risk scenarios and optimize operation. By doing so, they enable companies to proactively respond to demand fluctuation, material shortage, and logistical bottlenecks before this issue escalate. This lead to improved inventory management, reduced downtime, and more efficient production scheduling, ultimately enhancing overall supply chain resilience.
In this discussion, we can conclude that digital technology presents both significant opportunities and major challenges for business. While the potential benefits increase efficiency, enhance customer experience, data-driven insights, and new revenue streams are attainable, realizing this advantage requires careful navigation of some key obstacles that need to be addressed. However, digital technology is vital to business, but we must be aware of the issues that will arise so we can improve them. That's it from us. Thank you for watching.